Okay, so this is the latest version of the laser defense system. So we've got the Uniden R7 as our comparative. Got two laser pointers. I've got a standard, bog standard infrared laser pointer, and I've got an ALP laser tester. So there's no filter on the, there's no optical filter on the arduino laser system at the moment, and the R7 therefore doesn't pick up the laser pointer because it's the wrong frequency. Our laser defense system, however, is very sensitive. If I just see it, so there's a tiny little photodiode just there, and so if I point it at it, it'll look off. But it's really sensitive. It's really sensitive if I just briefly flash over there. It'll pick it up. We've also got the ALP laser tester.
Laser.
Which, if I pointed at our little photodiode, we can also get a nice detection on it as well.
Laser.
So note the ALP laser tester is really narrow beam. It's not
Laser.
so any beam of light is really narrow beam, so it pretty much has to be spot on the sensor. So you can't see that. So
Laser.
So if I point that over here, it's not getting anything on the R7. So even if I point it here, our system will pick it up, but that one won't, even though the diode's here and the detection's here. So you'll see
Laser.
so the beam's really narrow, as you'd expect for a laser, and it's both picking it up now, so I'm pretty confident that that would actually work against a real laser gun now. So really just needs testing. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with how that's all set up. The display here is just displaying the essentially it's just displaying the voltage that's, well, the analog reading that's coming in on the analog port. There's no resistors on here because it's using the input analog input pull-up resistor internal on the board. So actually that little photodiode's perfectly set up to be used with this system, so it's actually really easy to build. So we could have lots of these little sensors all over the place, and we can just directly plug them straight into ground and one of the analog input pins. We've got 7 pins, so we could run 7 of these little photodiodes off an Arduino, so we get pretty good sensitivity, pretty good detection if we did that. So I'm pretty pleased with that.